Hey guys, this is Ganga back with another video. So before we get into the video, I just want to take a few minutes from you guys. So right now the situation is very bad. We are all in this together. Let's not step out of the house until it's very urgent, okay? So May 1st, vaccination is going to come for the age group of 18 plus. Let's all get vaccinated and stay safe, okay? So for you ladies, I know we all look scary right now. No eyebrows, no upper lip, no forehead, nothing. So I have made a separate videos about face shaving, okay? Very simple procedure. Just watch that video. I'll give it in the iCard and I will give the same video in the end of this video as well. So please check out. Video is about getting that instant brightening skin. It's not only instant. When you start doing this regularly, you will see a lot of difference in your skin, okay? Right now I don't have anything on my face except my lipstick. Actually I stopped using makeup because after becoming a mother I don't have time for all that extra makeup, and I stopped using going to parlor for facial, bleach, everything I've stopped. I started using my homemade remedies only. So I'm actually happy with where my skin face is right now. It's actually a good face, touch wood. Wood. Okay, fine. So this face pack is very simple. So to know what to do, you have to watch this video fully. Let me tell you the ingredients and the benefits of the ingredients before we get into that demonstration part. The ingredients are, you need tomato juice, okay? Just take 2 tomatoes and freshly grind it and take out the juice. And you need mint leaf. Mint leaf is, that is Pudina leaves. So you take just a bunch of pudina, grind it and take out the juice and keep it separately. Then you will be needing rice flour, and you will be needing besan flour and honey. If you are not at all allergic to lemon, please use lemon drops in this face pack, okay? Very sad. If I smell lemon only, I will get sinus, so I can never use lemon. So if you're that lucky person, please use lemon in this face pack, and use a pinch of turmeric. So this is the ingredient that we need, okay? And I will tell about the benefits. So tomato, basically there's called a property called tannin, which removes the tan. So during the summer, if you're getting tanned, even staying at indoors, this is going to help in removing the tan, and it brightens your skin, okay? And it exfoliates all that dead skin on your face. And this pudina, that is mint leaf. Mint is basically a natural astringent. Astringent in the sense, it is a it helps in closing your pores. If you have open pores, it will not close fully like just like that. No, it will make you give you a blur effect, okay? So once you start using this often, you will see a lot of difference in your pores as well. It clears your blackheads, whiteheads, and the gunk that has been deposited inside the pores and leaves a brightened skin. So you need pudina leaves. And we all know the benefits of honey, right? Honey is a bleaching agent, so helps in bleaching your skin, and it gives a brightened look. So, and we are going to use turmeric. We all know the benefits of turmeric. I don't have to tell you at all. And lemon drops. Lemon drop has got acid, that is citric acid, right? This helps in brightening your skin and exfoliating your skin. So you need lemon drops. And rice flour. Why rice flour? Because rice flour helps in exfoliating your skin. So it gives a, if you go read about Japanese skincare, no, they always have rice flour in their skincare. So that beneficial is rice flour. So I hope you guys are clear about the ingredients and their benefits. So let's start the procedure now. So for the first step, scrubbing, I'm taking rice powder, normal rice powder, okay, 1 spoon. And I'm taking freshly grind tomato juice. So, mix it along with the rice powder like a paste. So this is the consistency we need, okay? So for the second step, face pack. So I'm going to take, besan flour, 1 spoon. Or according to your quantity, you can take it. I'm just taking 1.5 spoon, okay? And we're using 1 spoon of tomato juice. and a pinch of turmeric powder. Very little, okay? Just a pinch. And another main ingredient, that is mint leaf, juice, pudina juice. We're going to take 1 spoon. See, freshly grind pudina juice. And our final ingredient, we're going to use 1 spoon of honey. 1 spoon of honey. And if you guys are not allergic to lemon, you can use 2-3 drops of lemon. I am allergic to lemon. I have sinus issues, so I can't use lemon. So right now I am in my kitchen. I just made the ingredients, okay? So I'm just showing my wash faces, how my face looks. So yeah, let's start the procedure, okay? First ingredient, first step, that is face scrub. So, so this rice flour and tomato together is a very nice exfoliator. They take away the dead skin and, gives a very bright looking skin. So, nicely scrub and massage it, okay? If you are at home, just take it even below your neck area, and if you are wearing sari, most of the time, apply in your blouse open, okay? So your all over the body will look bright and even toned. So we are done with scrubbing, okay? You can just leave this first step for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it off, okay? And I'm sorry for the background if you're hearing if it's disturbing you. Daughter and father having a good time, they're giving me my me time. So yeah. So let's wash it off after 3 to 5 minutes. So wash my face. The first step is over. The face looks much more brighter and nicely cleansed and exfoliated. So let's go for the second step. So yes, we're going to do the step 2. I know we keep changing the location. Yeah. So the step 2 is the face pack. I'm using my spoon as a brush. So I just washed my face. Can you see that brightness? I love the results. Actually, once you start using this and once you start seeing the results, I'm definitely telling you, you will never stop using this face pack, and you will start recommending this face pack to everyone around you. That good it is. Try using it once in 2 days. You will definitely like the results, and I'm sure you will definitely come back and thank me later. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. This tomato instant brightening facial is very simple, and do not store that extra ingredient in the fridge and use it later. It's no use only. Give that extra ingredient to your partner, your mom or sister, and finish it off, okay? And if you guys have any other video recommendation, please put that in the comment box. And I have made other videos also. If you have time, please go check out in my channel and time pass, okay? So thank you so much guys. I will catch you in another interesting video. Till then, take care. Do not forget to subscribe. So stay connected. Bye-bye.